Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to create an AI action figure from your photo using ChatGPT. Let's have a look. First, open ChatGPT app on your smartphone. Then tap plus sign on bottom left. Tap Photos. Choose your photo from photo gallery. The photo should clearly show your face and figures to ensure the AI accurately captures your likeness. Now you need to enter a detailed prompt to ChatGPT on the desired style and details of your action figure. For example, you can copy this prompt from video description box. Simply copy the prompt that I already given in my video description box and paste it on ChatGPT. You can customize this prompt by specifying packaging colors, text label like your name or social media handle, and additional accessories that reflect your profession. Tap send button to submit. Wait a few moments as ChatGPT generates your action figure image. That's it. Action figure created. Tap save button to save the image. So these are the steps to create an AI action figure from your photo using ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.